How to use Keepa to avoid buying products with price drops or high competition. Don't want to buy a product today and see the price crash tomorrow? Here's how to avoid that using Keepa. Keepa is a Chrome browser extension that shows you price history charts for Amazon products. It's a must-have for online arbitrage. Here's what to look for. Focus on the price history graph, which shows you the product price over time, including Amazon's price, third-party sellers, and buyback trends. Look for patterns. If the price regularly drops or fluctuates sharply, it may signal instability. Next, check the number of sellers over time. If it's rising quickly, it means more people are jumping in, which could lead to price wars. Also, check the sales rank graph. If it's too flat or jagged, the item might not be selling well. By analyzing these charts, you can make smarter sourcing decisions and avoid products likely to cause low profit margins or slow turnover. Want to learn how to really read Keepa and other pro tools? The OA Challenge walks you through it all, step by step. Click the link in my description below to join the OA Challenge and learn how to source smarter from day one.